Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another plane. I know I haven't done a plane unboxing in a while, but here's the plane. And today we'll be building it. So we start off with the body, the fuselage of the plane, and then we got all the wings and components to it. So we'll start off by putting the wings on. And then the other side. As you can see now, the plane is starting to sort of take shape. So then we will add the tail of the plane. And I forgot to mention, this is a Boeing 757-200 and it's in an Iceland air livery, which is very nice. And then we will add the little bits, the mini sort of wing that go on the back of the fuselage. That will go on like that. And then we'll add the other side. So that's the tail. And then last but second to last, we will not forget about the engines. So these little bits here, we won't forget about them. That's how you pop them on. So that's one engine on. And then you can probably see this one, the right engine, or to your side it would be your left. So that's the plane. And then we'll add the stand. So we add these two bits, and this just slides on right here. And then that's the stand done. And then you will add the plane onto the stand. And there you go. That's a nice model plane that we have just built. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.